Friends, thank you for coming back. We're going to wrap it up. Now, when I told you to do the bricks, I want you to come in with, what brush is that? A small flat. I want you to get some fresh black paint. And make sure your brush is wet and pull down a little bit of that black and you will have a little darker reflection going on right here. And also, if you notice, over here, I came back in and I did a couple little strokes up to make this more like a bush. And then I dabbed it with the smaller bristle brush, going like this. And then I thought, let me take this brush and I'm going to come in bigger like this. So this is what's cool. You can let it dry, go over, and then you'll get an idea. Okay, so let's get going and we're going to do the steps. And let me grab my, which one do we want to do? An angular brush right here. Okay, that should work fine. Make sure your brushes are wet. Or the brush is wet. Here you go. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to get some brown, a little black, okay. I'm going to darken that up, okay. We're going to come in like this, straight across. Then you're going to do another line straight across. And then you're going to do another one straight across, and then you're going to come up here and round that off. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to dry that off. And I'm going to mix brown a little bit more with the black. And sometimes if you have to wait for your paint to dry, it's fine. You can do that. Now, brown with a little black. Okay, okay, we're shading that out like this, okay. So I'm going to come in with a different brush now. Okay, what are we going to do? We're going to do more of this, okay. Okay. Okay, I'm going to round that out like this. Okay, I had wet my paint earlier, and let me see if I can get that a little bit. But steps are easy, and that's basically all you have to do with steps. You go out longer, shorter, all right, and then this one like this. All right, cool. Then we're going to come in, we're going to wipe that off, and we're going to come in with some black. Okay, you're going to come in with some black, and you're going to do this top piece black. And like I said, if something happens and your paint's a little too wet, you can wait for this to dry. I'm just trying to give you some ideas here. Okay, and that's a little bit of an angle, and this should be a little bit more of an angle going this way. So it's darker here, and it's lighter down on the bottom. Okay, you can almost see the effects right now. So that's your brown, and the black will break that up. Now over here, we did some poles. Now to do the poles, let me see. I think I should come in with a, let me see. We're going to do it with, okay, there you go. That's what kind of brush we're going to use. All right, and now we're going to make sure that's wet, dry that off. And we're going to come in with the brown like this. Okay. And then we're going to take that, and always remember the pole closest to you should be the widest. You press down, it will go wide. Then you go a little bit more narrow, you twist your brush and your shorter one right up here. Oh, yes. I'm loving that. Looks good. And this one bigger. Now you're going to take that and curve that just a little bit like that. And I'm going to show you what you're going to do. With that, you're going to come in with a little white. And when you do a little white, what's going to do is it's going to lighten that up, and that's what you want, right? That's the top of the post. Okay. Yeah. Okay, you got that effect. And then you're going to take some of that and you're going to just run it like that, because you're going to give that brown a couple different colors. And that's what you want. Nothing in life, again, is solid. Okay. Okay, and then just keep the camera right there. I'm doing pretty good. Camera on my left and my... yeah, do what you gotta do. It's a great camera. Why fix something that's not broke? There you go. And like I said, sometimes you might want to wait for that to dry, but I wanted to give you an idea. And this one will be solid and it'll curve right out like that. There you go. I'm telling you, I love it already. That's how easy you can do steps going to a deck. So the deck, you know what? We can bring the deck out a little longer this way. How's that? Yeah, there you go. And that part will be, there you go. That part will be a lot more lighter. We won't come in. The one thing I might want to do right here is to give this just a little darkness to break that up. Okay, good, good, good. Friends, we are done. I love it. And again, you want more reds or blues in your flowers like that? Great. You got the reflection. We got rocks in the back. And again, don't forget to pull a little bit of that black so you can get a reflection from the back. I just love it. I'm having a wonderful time. I hope everybody else is too. Well, we are done. And I had a wonderful, wonderful time. And again, okay, we're going to put this by this one here. There you go. And it don't have to be the same. Friends, I got to get ready to go. See you again, and you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you so much, friends. Don't forget to come back for my next one. Bye.